Hallo, liebe Logo-Anwender.
Dear logo users, today I would like to show you how to visualize digital signals on the logo displays on board or via TDE. We have created a little program for just that purpose. Here we can see input 1, which controls the output. And here we can see the fully configured, complete message display. Let's take a look at the properties here. Only text is currently available, and I would like to show you now how this digital signal can be visualized. The status text is our default function. We will now click in the message text right where we want the information to appear, and then select the default text. Here we can select the signal we want to visualize. I select Digital Input 1. I want the text off for signal state off, and I want the text on for signal state on. Now I confirm with OK, and that's all we have to do here. Let's now take a look at this in the simulation. We open the simulation and can see right here that the signal state is currently off, and when we enable the input, it is on. This may not always be very helpful for the user. It is much better to create a visual, and I will now show you how that can be done. We need to add a function to our program, and in this case, I use a mathematical instruction. I control this command via the signal I want to monitor. Let's now enter a value for parameter v1 in the properties for the digital signal. I usually enter the value 1000. We want to later transmit this program to a logo, which means it is best to go ahead and complete the signal right now. After the mathematical function, which has an analog signal at the output, we use an analog flag. We now switch to the properties of the message text. We can use a bar graph here and select the mathematical function. So what we want to do is visualize the output of this mathematical function as a bar graph. We'll use 2 as the width. That's all the changes we have to do to get a graphic visualization of the signal. Let's check the result. We start the simulation and we can see a rectangle at that position. The field is transparent if the signal is inactive. When we now activate the input, then the function Bargraph will display the range in a dark color. All in all, this is a really nice option for visualizing virtually any digital signal. Logo. Simply ingenious, simply more.